y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here with me. Today I have some all-day cleaning motivation for you. I finally got a new vacuum after not having one for over a month, so it is definitely time to clean the house and vacuum the floors. I was using not having a vacuum as an excuse to not really clean my house, so I need to tackle this before it gets out of hand. With all that being said, let's get at it and get it done.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do,
So first things first, I like to go ahead and just make my bed. I feel like when I have my bed made, I am overall more productive. One of my pet peeves is I hate dirt in the bed.
We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again.
My bedroom is finished, and as you can see, I don't have a lot of stuff sitting out or a lot of decorations on the walls. I'm very much a minimalist when it comes to my style. I used to put a lot of stuff on the walls and I had all kinds of stuff just sitting out, but I find that when I have less stuff, it is easier to keep clean and I feel like I can think better. Buster, did you get trapped? I know, it's a mess. Oh. Buster was not happy with me disturbing his sleep, and I can go ahead and tell you right now that no one messes with Mr. Preshy's sleep or he will give you some serious looks all day.
If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
right here I am wallowing around like a roly-poly-oly because some toys had gotten stuck in the tote under the bed.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, darling. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just
Loading the dirty dishes is my least favorite part of cleaning the kitchen because the food that gets stuck in the bottom of the sink and on the plates and stuff, oh, it just grosses me out so much and I get the heebie-jibbies. But it's strange because I don't mind washing like my cast iron pan or other pots and pans by hand. It's just the stuff that's in the sink and the stuff that's like hooked onto the plates. It makes me just feel just ugh, so I have to really make myself do it.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts.
I wanted to spend some extra time in my bathroom today wiping everything down because there ain't no telling what was growing in here. It is definitely time for it to be cleaned.
I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too.
I want to point out that this medicine cabinet is not dirty, it is just stained from how old it is. It's almost 30 years old and it is definitely time to replace it. I'm going to be doing a bathroom makeover in the future, so I need to budget for it. It's built into the wall, so I'm guessing I'm going to have to cut it out and then maybe patch the wall and put something over it. But when I do my bathroom makeover, I will be replacing it for sure.
started saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a
This contraption on my toilet is a bidet, and I love it. I got it at Walmart on sale for like $20 or $25, and it's a game changer.
I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter.
If you turn it on, what is it? I ain't gonna do this again. Alright, you turn it right here after it's on this one, and it cleans it for you, so it's like a self-cleaning feature or whatever. Well, I wasn't paying attention, and I turned it to the middle, which sprays your behind, and it squirted up and sprayed me everywhere. So yeah, I just got sprayed by the bidet. I am so excited. I got a new vacuum cleaner, and my floors are literally screaming with excitement because they haven't been vacuumed in over a month. This is the Shark Vertex, and it has the powered lift away. I was using a cordless vacuum and it worked okay, but I felt like it was still leaving dirt and pet hair behind. I did a lot of research before I decided on this one. I knew I wanted a corded one because they have more power, and I hated when my cordless vacuum would die in the middle of a deep clean. It was super frustrating. I am very excited about the powered lift away feature on this vacuum. That way it's easier to deep clean not only the floors but the walls and the furniture. Something else that I knew I wanted was a sealed HEPA filtration system because my son and I have allergies, and I have 2 dogs inside that definitely get pet hair everywhere, so it's important to keep everything contained and not just zipping around in the air. I don't have any carpet in my house other than an occasional rug that I will put down, so when I was doing my research, I wanted a vacuum that would work well on hardwood floors, and I kept coming across the Duo Clean because it has a soft roller brush that's supposed to be really good for hardwood floors. After finally deciding on this vacuum, I got a little bit discouraged because it was going to be way over the budget, but where there's a will, there's a way, and I was able to get it at Kohl's and use coupons and Kohl's Cash, so I got a really good deal on it. So now it's time to test this puppy out.
I know we've been fighting. Can we just hold up and maybe say I'm trying to make things right? I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see. Make you see. I have realized.
So right here, I had a ding dong moment. I'm going to try to say this without laughing, but I forgot about the power lift away. So I was prepared to move my bed to really get up under the bed, but as you can see right here, I figured out, hey, Taylor, there's powered lift away, and it works beautifully.
Say that it ain't on me, what can you see? It ain't easy. Ooh, but now it feels like I can hear what you're saying. No point, no blaming, so great, wanna do this right.
since y'all met Buster in the previous video, I wanted to introduce Ruby. She is a miniature dachshund. She goes by many names, including Ruby Doo, Weenie, or if I'm feeling extra fancy, Weenie, 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 Weenie. If you have a dachshund or if you love them, then let me know one of your favorite things about them in the comments. I love her little tiny paws. Look at how much hair and dirt. I can't even believe that, because with my cordless vacuum that I had, it didn't, like, I mean, it's night and day. I love this thing. I absolutely love it. Buster? I bet that's some of your hair too, ain't it? Yeah, I bet it is. I was gonna drag out my O-Cedar spin mop, but I decided to just go ahead and use my e-cloth mop just because it's a lot easier and it still cleans really well. So I'm just gonna do the floors with this and get it done, because I was gonna quit and then I was like, you know what? I've already cleaned all day. I've vacuumed with the new vacuum. So I need to just push on through and just mop. So here we go. On a side note, my office is staying organized and clean, and I love it so much. If you haven't seen my previous video, I will link it in the description box below. I turned my beauty room into an office and I decluttered all of my makeup. So if you're needing some motivation, then go check that out. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really hope this video gave you some motivation. I have so many makeovers and projects that I want to do around the house, so now that it's not a total disaster, I can start focusing on that and focus on a routine, because I feel like I struggle with routines. I can deep clean all day, but I'll bring myself back to square one when I don't have a good routine in place. So if that is something that you struggle with too, just know that you are not alone and we can do this together. Ruby says, please like and please subscribe. Please? Please? Yep, there's the pause. Bye y'all, see you in my next video.